Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hi students. Okay, so for today we are going to review about the countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so what do you know about nouns? Can you remember? Okay, I'm going to explain the noun first. Okay, so a noun is a person, okay, a place, and a thing. Okay, so some nouns are countable and some nouns are uncountable. Okay. Countable nouns is the nouns that we can count. Okay, we can know how many is it. Okay, but for uncountable nouns, we cannot count the nouns. Okay, we cannot count the people, we cannot count the thing. All right. Okay, next. Okay, we look into countable nouns. Okay, countable nouns are the nouns we can count. Okay. All right. For example, like can we count an apple? Of course, we can count an apple. Okay. Is it one or more than one apple? Okay. If there is only one, it's referred to singular. Okay. If it is only one, it's singular. We use a or an in front of it. For example, a lemon, an apple. Okay. We use a for lemon because it's refer only one. Okay, that's why you see a in front of the word lemon. But why we cannot use an for the lemon? Still remember A, E, I, O, U? Okay, so the word apple is start from the letter A. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so A, E, I, O, U, we should use an. Okay, that's why you see the word an in front of the word apple. Okay, next. If there is more than one, which is we refer to plural. Okay, if it's more than one, we usually add s to the noun. Okay, for example, apples or lemons. Okay, so the word apple, we put s, so it indicates it's more than one apple. And so that's the lemons. Okay, next. Okay, if we want to ask about the quantity of countable nouns, we use the phrase how many. Okay, for countable nouns, okay, we know if it's one, it's more than one apple. Okay, so that's why we use the word how many. Okay, it's different from the uncountable. Okay, for example here, how many apples do you want? Okay, I would like 3 apples, for example. Okay, so you know that you only want 3 apples. Okay, next, the uncountable nouns. Okay, the uncountable nouns are nouns that we cannot or do not count. For example, like hair. Can you count hair? Of course, you cannot count the hair because there is too many hair on your head, right? Okay, so uncountable nouns, okay, they're always in a singular form. Okay, which is we never use a or an with them. Okay, and we can quantify. However, we can use quantify words with them. Okay, for example, like a bag of, a cup of, for example, a cup of sugar. Okay, we know that the sugar is only in one cup. Okay, so we do not count the sugar one by one. Okay, alright, next. So if we want to talk about quantity of these uncountable nouns, so we use how much. For example, how much sugar do you want in your tea? So of course, maybe you can say, I want 2 teaspoons of sugar in my tea. Okay, so the person who asked the question know how many sugar that they want to give to you. Okay. Next. Some nouns can be countable and some nouns cannot be, is uncountable. Okay, so it depends on what we talking about, a specific item or in general. Okay, let me simplify for you. Okay, for example here, let's buy 2 peppers. Okay, we know that let's buy 2 peppers is indicate there's only 2 peppers. You can see the peppers, so it's countable. Okay, but if someone say let's buy peppers, we do not know how many peppers that he want, so it becomes is uncountable because we cannot know how much is the peppers that they want. Okay, so next, how to change a singular noun to a plural noun. Okay, so basically most of the nouns we don't have any problems. Okay, we just put s at the back. For example, like ducks, which is only one. Then you change into ducks, more than one. So the letter s, it indicates it's more than one. Okay, then the word ending with s, x, ss, ch or sh. Okay, for example, peach. Peach is one. Then you change into plural form, is we have to put es, peaches. Okay, ending in a vowel y. Okay, alright. For this type of word, okay, if you can see here, the word day. Before the word, the letter y, you can see a vowels. Vowel is like a, e, I, o, u. Okay, you see the letter a. So after the word y, you only have to put s. Okay, same goes to the example here, toy. Okay, before the letter y, you will see the letter o. So a, e, I, o, u, o. Okay, so after the letter y, you only have to put s. You don't put y, you don't put ies. Okay, but if you can see here, ending in a consonant y. Okay, for example here, the word cherry. cherry. Okay, before the word, before the letter y, you see the word, the letter r. R is referred to a consonant. Okay, so r usually is the letter that is not in the vowel, not in the a, e, I, o, u. So you take out y and you replace it with ies. Same goes to the word lolly. Lolly also, if you can see there, before the word, the letter y, you will see a letter l. L is not it's not a vowel. It's not in the a, e, I, o, u. So you take out y and replace it with ies.